If you are searching for dependable ice cube trays, the Veiderui 5-piece ice tray set for drinks deserves attention. First, these trays are made without BPA. Thus, they are very safe for your family. Moreover, their construction feels truly sturdy. Indeed, these trays are built to last. They are also easily reusable. This set acts like a quiet ice factory in your freezer. It produces many small crystal diamonds. These are perfect for making any beverage wonderfully cool. This smart Veiderui 5-piece ice tray set for drinks comes with 5 trays. Furthermore, each tray boasts 14 individual grids. So, you can make 70 ice cubes at once. Next, removing the ice is surprisingly simple. The flexible gray material helps greatly. Thus, cubes pop out with ease. Moreover, your drinks gain a cold embrace quickly. You can chill your favorite cocktails. Also, your iced coffee benefits immensely. Therefore, your sips will always stay refreshingly cold. Ultimately, this Veiderui 5-piece ice tray set for drinks proves quite practical. It genuinely fulfills its frosty promise. Therefore, it is a truly smart kitchen upgrade. In addition, it easily withstands everyday use. Thus, all your chilling requirements are met consistently. This set is a dependable kitchen workhorse. It helps elevate your drinking experience. Moreover, it keeps beverages perfectly cool for everyone. Pros: wonderful. Cover fit perfectly. Ice is removed easily. Good quality silicone. Pretty cheap. Quality product. Trays are nice and easy to use. Clean. Trays stack if you use the lids. Super easy to remove ice. Save so much space. Lids prevent spills and freezer odors. Silicone bottoms make it super easy. Trays are sturdy and well designed. Neatly stack without sticking together. Great quality and super convenient. Cons: didn't receive the container. Cubes are about 1/2 the size. Smaller size. Disappointed. Features: 14 grids, BPA free, sturdy construction, reusable, freezer safe, for drinks, for cocktails. For coffee, gray color 5 pieces included. The Veiderui ice cube tray set is a 5-piece collection of gray, BPA free ice cube trays. Each tray has 14 grids, making it easy to make plenty of ice. They're built to be strong and can be used again and again. These trays are safe for the freezer and are perfect for making ice for all your drinks. Like cocktails and coffee, the Veiderui ice cube tray set offers a convenient solution for making ice. Users found the lids fit well, preventing spills and odors, and the silicone bottoms made ice removal exceptionally easy. The trays are praised for their good quality, sturdy design, and ability to stack neatly, saving freezer space. While some users noted the cubes were smaller than expected, the overall consensus is that these trays are a high-quality, easy-to-use, and well-designed product, though a few customers reported not receiving the promised container.